Hey guys, welcome back to Hammer and Halo Projects. I'm Rob, and in today's DIY video, I'm going to be updating our wood pathway down the side of our house from this to this. Much better, so let's get into it. So when I built this pathway, I spaced out the 2x6 planks using a 2x4 as a spacer, and then the idea was to fill it in with gravel and everything would smooth itself out. It was just a little too rough to run a wheelbarrow down, even a little rough walking down. Also, the dog running up and down it, I think he might have sprained his back leg because he's limping once in a while, so we cleared out some of the gravel. I'm gonna now go take out a loan to buy some 2x4s because the price of lumber, holy wood prices.
All in favor, say yo 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 yo.
So I went and picked up 14 more 2x4s. I'm going to cut them all at 24 inches. That will give me 54 pieces to add into this walkway. And to make these cuts go a little bit simpler, I've set up some sort of a stop block just by measuring 24 inches off the edge of the blade. Hey Matt, I brought the wheelbarrow around. Can you just load this wood into it?
Yeah.
And we'll take it around to the other side. I purposely cut these 2x4s longer than the original 2x6 planks to give the walkway some dimension. If you like it staggered like this or are more in favor of all the wood lining up, let me know in the comment section below. There were a couple spaces that were just too tight to get a 2x4 in, so I ended up ripping down a 1/16 of an inch off each one on the table saw. By using a spacer block, I can maintain the same placement all the way down the line.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did not. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one.
Well, I convinced Matt how important it was to help out his old man. It's good to have a son around when you need him. So as he's screwing down the boards, I'll come back and install the ones I had to rip down on the table saw. Yeah, tight one. Ah. I don't know. I broke this cheap ass hammer.
Never in my life have I seen that.
Won't break this one. Now if you're like me right about now and you want to take out some frustration, why don't you think about smashing that like button while I work on getting this stubborn board into place. Now after 1,000 screws, according to Matt, we finally finished this project, and I must admit, I'm glad I came back to it. So the pathway is so much better now, and if Tango's any indication of it, I think I did it right this time. I think the takeaway for me is, if a project doesn't turn out as planned, get out there and do it right. DIY is all about hands-on learning, making mistakes, and learning from those mistakes. So hopefully you picked up some ideas of what or what not to do from this video. And if you did, hit the like button below so more people can have access to this channel and the world of DIY. Until next time, get out there and hammer out something awesome. Peace.